Hi guys, and welcome back to Art Shop channel. Okay, today guys, we're going to be making a fake fried egg. That's right guys, you heard it here first. A fake fried egg. Because you never know, you might need one. I'm not sure when, but you might need one for a birthday or a Christmas present or something like that. You know, somebody might be really into fried eggs, and you might have a friend who's a chef who makes a lot of fried eggs, and you need to make one, or you could stick one on a card, that sort of thing. Okay, so I just wanted to do this little intro clip just to say enjoy these next clips on how to make it, and let me know how you get on. And if there's any questions, obviously just put those in the comments below because I'm here to answer all your questions, because I'm good like that. But I suppose you would actually like to see what you're going to make, wouldn't you? So that would be good to actually show you that. So without further ado, let me show you the fried egg. And here it is. Can you see that? I put it on a little plate. I can tip it up so you can see it. There you go. Look at that. Doesn't that look amazing? Oh, wow. It looks really real, doesn't it? Okay. Now, it's all made out of air dry clay. That's right, guys. Air dry clay. Now, I do make them with different things as well, but I'm going to do a different tutorial on how to do that. And I don't want to tell you exactly what I use for that because I want you to guess. So the white is made out of something else. Now, can you guess what I would use if I didn't use clay to make the white of the egg? Now, if you put that in the comments below and you get it right, I'll send you a fried egg in the post because I'm good like that. Hopefully you won't all get it right because I'll be sending loads of them, and I've only made 2, so we're going to have an issue there, aren't we? I'll be very busy. But anyway, if you do know what it's made out of, apart from like this one's clay, what other item I use to make the white, then put in the comments below. But yeah, I just want to show you on a plate. Now, you're probably thinking, again, what else can you do with it? Well, I have done little mock-ups of fake plates of food. You know, so you could do a couple of fried eggs and sausages and bacon and all that sort of thing. And I have done that before. So in the future tutorials, I will actually make that kind of thing for you guys to have a look. And you can make your own bacon and your own sausages and all that sort of thing. And I've even done peas. I know, amazing, isn't it? And peas are a bit of time consuming because you know what peas are like. They're a bit round. Yes, so you know, watch your space and I'll do some more tutorials on fake food because I love fake food. I don't know why, but I do. And it's a big market out there for fake food, apparently. Billions, I think. I think Japan has all the market on it. But, you know, I'm going to have my little corner of the market. I think that's what you say, isn't it? You know, I sound like an entrepreneur, don't I? Not. Anyway, let's put that down and stop waffling on and show you the actual egg close up. So there you go. So basically, it's a fried egg in oil, and it's got salt and pepper on it. I know, you can tell that, can't you? You can see the pepper, but probably can't quite see the salt. But they're salt granules. But I just want to show you that it's not as hard as you think to make this, and I just wanted to show you that you can actually do that. Okay? So watch your space, and well, don't watch your space. Watch the next clip that I'm going to put in the, well, I'll link it to so you can know which ones you're supposed to watch in what order. I think there's 1 or 2 after this. And but you'll learn how to actually make this. And you'll be amazed. Absolutely marvellous, isn't it? Absolutely marvellous. And, you know, you'll be giving these away to all your friends and family. You know, they're all want one. So, but I'm really pleased because it does actually look real. You know, I wouldn't want to eat it, obviously, not with my nashes. But, yeah. Okay, anyway, I'm waffling on a bit. So I'm going to go now and like, share and subscribe my little channel because I'm trying to get out there and show all you guys how to make things because I love making things out of things that normally go into landfill and that sort of thing. Yes, and we can go from there. So I'm going to leave it at that. I don't think there's anything else to tell you on this particular clip. So let me know in the comments below if you like my style. And if you don't, I'll just carry on anyway. No, I'm joking. But yeah, I just thought, you know, make it a bit of fun. Make it a bit of fun. You just need to do your own thing in these things, don't you? You know, because we're all individuals. There we are. You heard it here first, guys. Little side tip, we're all individuals, okay? I think I've been watching too many films, if you know what that film's from. Anyway, I'm going to go because I'm plugging a film now, and you're probably thinking, what is that film? What is that film? But if you know, you know. You know what I mean, one thing? You do, that's great. Anyway, I'm going to go now, so bye for now. Like I say, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye-bye for now.